Good morning, dear students. Yesterday we did the attributes of body tag, and till now we have did the background, BG color, and text. Today we are doing some more attributes of the body tag, that are top margin, left margin. Here you are looking the program. Check in the body tag. Firstly, it is given BG color, which we did in the last program. BG color for changing the background color of the web page. Here it is given light yellow. I am showing you its web page. You can see the background color of the web page is coming light yellow. The next one attribute of the body tag, top margin. Here by mean of the margin is space. Suppose you want to give the space from the top side of the web page, means whatever the text you will write, that text will be printed by giving the space from the upper side. I am showing you the web page. Here the top margin is given 100. You can see here in the web page, from the top side the space is coming. This space is the top margin, and you can see from the left side also a little bit space is coming blank. This one you can see, this is the left margin. In the program, by giving the top margin and left margin, you can leave the blank space from the top side or the left side of the web page, means the text will be printed after giving the blank space from the top side or the left side. Some more attributes are here of the body tag, as like link. Students, sometimes you are opening the web page, what you see there, sometimes we find the link in the web page, like, have you read that click here to see the image, and when you bring your arrow on that text, click here, means after going your arrow on the text and clicking there, something else opens, means that is the link. The link may be to the other web page, to image, or to text, whatever it is. Links can also be created in the web pages, and links are having the colors also. You can define your own colors, and these colors are defined by the attributes of the body tag. The one attribute for defining the color of the link is link attribute. This link attribute is defined in the body tag, and by defining the link attribute we can give the color of the link. And one more attribute is a link, active link. This is used for defining the active color of the link, means whenever we are going to click on the link, color gets changed. As soon as we click, you will see that color is changing. That is active link, a link. By defining the a link, you can give the color of the active link. Even you can define the v link also, visited link. After coming back to the image, we can see that visited link is also be changed, means whatever the color you gave at the link, that color has been changed. In short, it will be clear to you when you will do the linking. Leave it, no matter, means it may be that not clearing to you, because that you don't know about the links. When we will do the concept linking, at that time it will be better clear to you. So in this program our purpose is top margin, left margin. If you have any problem in the top margin or left margin, you can WhatsApp me. Thank you.